Hi, in front of me is Google Pixel 5 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Apps and Notifications and scroll down. Over here, click on See All from last 7 days and select one of your apps, like Gmail. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from Gmail will be disabled. If you want to turn them back on, just click at the same switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications by clicking on the switcher next to all Chrome notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!